hands come to cover the space below the navel. And breathe in and out here. Now let the breath go a little bit deeper. So soften the knees. As you breathe in, your hands move away from the body. Diaphragm descends. As you breathe out, press in just a little bit and keep breathing out. See if you can breathe in and out through the nose. And if there's something that is ready to clear, you can blow out through the mouth. Inhale nose and blow out. Imagine you're blowing through a straw. In through the nose. Your hands can be here or they can relax by the side. Does your mind feel a little more present? And then inhale, bring the hands up next to the shoulders and arch back. And exhale, round the back, tucking your tailbone in. Inhale, lift, spread across the collarbones. Lift your smile, lift your gaze. Exhale, touch the hands and elbows together. Inhale, expand. Growing up out of this, imagine that you're a tree in the spring reaching for the sun. Exhale, release and relax. Breathing in and out through the nose with a calm face. And let your movements today, imagine that you're flowing like water. There's no hurry. Allow yourself to go on a journey for the next 30 minutes. Step one foot behind you, steady yourself on that foot and reach that same hand up and over. Use your core strength, dial yourself back to center, relax the arms and to the other side. So you step a foot behind you, the arm on the same side lifts up and over, bracing yourself, and then come on back. So be gentle. This is a warm-up side stretch. It's called the eagle side stretch. So imagine your arms are wings or feathers. Use your core strength to come on back to the middle. Float the hands down and to the other side. Breathe into this strong, fill yourself with breath, eternal rhythm. And then bring your hands to the hips and start to circle the hips outward. Today's focus is about bringing balance into the back. Any tension or pain in your lower back. The hands can be on the hips or they could be on the lower back. Or on the lower back, it helps remind the upper chest to be lifted. And go out to when they reach the center, hands can now find the hips and then start to tilt the hips. So you're tucking the tail in. So imagine that so bring your hands up in front of you, that the palms facing, and then turn to the side, gazing between your hands. Just to where you feel that in your lower back. And then come on back to the middle and go to the other side. Let your eyes go soft and wide to the middle. And then float the hands down. And then let your hand, if they're massaging your arms, or your shoulders, let's brush out the arms. So up to the neck and then down the side. Imagine that you've loosened up some tension from the physical body or from the mind, and it's time to say, okay, you can go now. And let the earth receive this energy. You can brush out your face, the forehead, the eyes. Brush down from your forehead down to the cheeks, down to the chin, and then flick it off. Both sides. And brush down your back as much as you can release outer thighs. Bend the knees as you come down, and using your hands any way you'd like. Brushing down the legs, brushing down. Even to your feet. Brush off. And then place your feet down. Notice how strong and steady they are, and roll yourself back up, walking your hands up your thighs. Inhale, let your arms unfurl, reach up. Imagine you can embrace the light of the sun. And let the hands slide down in front of your body, receiving fresh energy from life-giving sun into your body right now. Let's do this twice more. Soft knees. So for this one, As you inhale, the hands float up to the side, and then as you exhale, you turn, release the hands, and one hand goes in front and the other hand behind. So up and then, now let's get some breath pumping with this one. And let it slow down. Come to steady yourself with a hand on the wall, a chair, or a table, and choose either leg and start to swing. So come to the other side. Go back to the first leg and now go left and right. Shake it out and try the other side, left and right. Now let's go a little deeper into the thighs. So step one forward and the other foot back. Now for this next one, you can keep the back foot down or you can lift the heel and pulse the front knee. Adjust your hips, so you're squaring the hips towards the front and you're keeping your body vertical. It might feel like you're leaning back a little bit. You're trying to stretch the front of the thigh. Change sides. You're welcome to step the feet in if you'd like. Go for the other side. Keep adjusting your feet, so a little wider, a little closer. Pulsing the legs. Now that the legs are a little more warmed up, you can step them in. And we're going to do it again, and this time it's going to become parting the clouds. All right, let the feet be a little wider. So we're going to put it all together in this one. This one's called turning the wheel, and it's going to use every part of your core strength and your back strength to be safe. So this is a back strengthener. If your back feels tight or sore today, then just hold on for the next. And if you feel pretty good about this one, we're going to be moving the body in circles down and up and around and into a little back bend. A few of them may be enough for you. And as soon as you're letting off, as soon as you sense you're not able to hold strength in your core, then you'll know that a few times. So you imagine that your arms are holding a wheel. There's a round shape on your arms, and we're going to be turning the wheel. Okay, so we bring the wheel up and over and to the side and down. This is the foundation, and if you want to bring in all of your strength, then you lean back a little bit, and then when you come over to the side, rotate all the way down to the ground, keeping your knees soft as they need to, and up. Find your way back to your center. And if you'd like to stay where you are a while longer, sitting, lying down, standing, feel free to tune me out. If you'd like to conclude this class, start to move your fingers and your toes. Turning your head left and right. Let a little bit of light into your eyes, but then close them again. More light. Bring both hands to cover your heart. See if you can find your heartbeat and feel for it. The pulse in your neck. There's a pulse in your wrists. There's a pulse in your feet. Can you feel them? Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Danielle and I are grateful and honored to get to share these practices with you.